Okay guys, welcome back. Today when I warn again, I got a 3 monster trucks here, but like I said, separate 2 Hot Wheels and the Spin Master. Here's a Dragon electruck crew, Series 41. Now, all I need is racing stripes and the chase piece, and this is complete. So quick. Dragon gun. Let's go ahead and open it. Ooh, okay. Here it is. Let me fix this. Here we go. Nice teal looking dragon with the silver roll cage and then yellow chassis. Bright neon orange tires, neon green rims and bead locks. Here the train has 2 different colors, green and blue, which is cool. I love that scheme. There it is. Pretty cool. So I got the Hot Wheels next, guys. Peace out.